Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be our farewell to the Mirage Las Vegas. It is closing in July, later this summer. About 4 or 5 weeks here to be renovated into the Hard Rock. So we're going to say goodbye. The volcano show's going away. I think the hotel is being turned into a giant guitar. I'm not sure if it's just for looks or the actual hotel will be a guitar, but it's going to be interesting. So let's go into the Mirage, take a little walk through, and see what used to be together. So this is our room at the Mirage. Mirage is shutting down later this month for 3 months to turn into the Hard Rock Las Vegas. You can see even at the end, the rooms were actually pretty nice. They gave us a free upgrade when we checked in. So this is the upgraded room on the 25th floor. It overlooks the volcano, which will be removed during the 3-year renovation.
It's gonna be a big guitar.
Is the volcano turning into the guitar, or the whole hotel is becoming a guitar? I'm not sure which way it is, but it's turning into the Hard Rock and they're making a giant guitar. And this is it. This is the end of the Mirage, guys. So Steve Wayne purchased the land where the Mirage is in 1986. It was then the Castaway. The Mirage opened in November 22nd, 1989, after 2 years of construction at a cost of $630 million. So this is the Circus du Soleil show that's going dark here, Love, based on the music of the Beatles. The other major headliner here at the Mirage was Siegfried and Roy. They headlined from 1990 to 2003, and then Love came in 2006 until 2023, when the entire resort will shut down for a 3-year renovation. It was bought by VICI, who owns the building now, and Hard Rock International is operating the casino. The Hard Rock's, the Mirage is expected to reopen as the Hard Rock in May 2027. So if you've been to the Mirage or if you've stayed here, you might have remembered some of the many, many attractions, including the volcano, Siegfried and Roy's secret garden. That's what the tigers were kept, the garden of dolphins, and the aquarium in the main lobby area, which is very, very beautiful. So you can still, it's actually still a really nice property. I was really surprised when they announced they were shutting the whole thing down for 3 years. It's actually pretty freshly renovated. They just put new carpet in maybe 2 years ago. So the Mirage officially closes July 17th, 2024. So if you want to come see this beautiful property before it's gone forever, you have about 4 weeks, 3 weeks. And as you can see, it's still just an absolutely beautiful property. I have no idea how much of it they're going to keep, how much of it they're going to demolish. They're only calling it a remodel. So I figure a decent amount of the property might get left in place. So we're going to go check out the aquarium fish tank in the lobby. Most of the other attractions have been shut down, like the secret garden and the dolphin aquarium. The lions and tigers have been rehomed. We have a lot of great memories of the Mirage. We live in Las Vegas, and it was one of our favorite places to go do a staycation for our days off. The pool here is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna go walk out there to go check it out and see it one last time. That's what we're doing here, having a little staycation, hanging out at the pool. It's a wonderful, wonderful time. If you have any of your favorite memories of the Mirage, put it in the comments. Let's see what all of our favorite memories of the Mirage is. Mine, for sure, is the Beatles LOVE show. I absolutely love. So it was a wonderful show. It's not moving anywhere as far as I know. It's simply going dark. That'll be the end of the run when the Mirage closes. I never did get to see Siegfried and Roy though. I moved here, I guess it was still going on, but I never did see it. Missed a lot of things at the Mirage.